Hey everybody, it's Robin Scrimger and Taylor Crawford with Coldwell Banker Oceanside Real Estate here to bring you the fall market update. And this is an important update for you because we've had interest rate increases and everyone's been asking us what's going on with the market, when are prices going to come down. And I think what this report will do for you, especially if you read the full stats package that we've included here, is give you optimism and hope if you're a seller as well as if you're a buyer. Without further ado, I'm going to let Taylor take away some benchmark price information for single family homes in the various areas around Victoria. Taylor?
Thanks, Robin. Hi, everyone. So to give you a brief recap on October for single family detached, we're going to start with the Greater Victoria region. Benchmark prices ended the month at $1.193 million. Year over year, this is up 10.5% to October of last year. And month over month, when we compare to September, prices are actually down 2%. Heading into the core, this is where we see the highest pricing for single family detached. This sits at $1.341 million. And year over year, this is up 10.2%. Month over month, we're down 1.7%. Heading on out to the Westshore, benchmark pricing there sits at $1.059 million. Year over year, this is up 13.8%. And month over month, we are down just under 1% at 0.8%. And rounding it out, we've got the Saanich Peninsula with a benchmark price sitting at $1.242 million. And this is up year over year at 8.6%. And month over month, we are down 3.4%. So the largest decline can be seen on the Saanich Peninsula. Over to Robin for your condo update.
Hey, thanks a lot, Taylor. So in condos in the Greater Victoria area, our benchmark pricing is just under $600,000 at $596,700. This is up 15% year over year, albeit down just over 2% month to month. When we get to the core region, we are just over $600,000 at $602,700, and that is up 15% again year over year and down 2.4% from September. If we look at the Westshore, this is where we saw the biggest gains in the last year of just under 17%. The benchmark price there is $545,300, and it is down over September, just over 2%. And then finally to the Peninsula, where we see the highest benchmark price for the condo market, which is $633,800. This is up 13% year over year and down only 3% from September to October. So is there still room to move in the condo market? Probably, but we did see some pretty big gains there. Taylor, what's been happening with townhomes?
Thanks, Robin. Townhomes, when we look at Greater Victoria, townhome benchmark pricing is now sitting at $802,500. Year over year, this is up 11% over last year. When we look at it month over month, we are down 2% in pricing compared to September. Heading into the core, this is where we see the highest benchmark price for townhomes, sitting at $878,700. And year over year, this is up 12.6%. Month over month, though, the core is down 1.5%. Heading on out to the Westshore, benchmark pricing sits at $734,300. Year over year, this is up 11.8%. And then month over month, we are down 1.6%. And rounding it out on the Saanich Peninsula, benchmark pricing sits at $765,600. And year over year, this is up 4.9%. They've also seen the sharpest decline month over month at 4.2% down compared to September. Back to Robin for a final summary roundout.
So some pretty interesting statistics there. If we look at the bigger picture, our sales volume is down with just 480 sales in this October versus, well over 700 last October. And what we're seeing though on the bright side for you, if you're looking at purchasing a home, is that our inventory and active listings are more than double where they were a year ago. So if you're thinking of buying a home, there's a lot less competition and also more opportunity. However, on the flip side, if you are contemplating selling, it is a great time to have a conversation with your realtor, who's us, of course. And the reason that it's a good time to have that conversation is because prices, while they've come down month over month, they're still close to their all-time highs, and we are continuing to see demand, albeit somewhat diminished. If you have questions about affordability or financing, we can connect you with the right lenders who you can have a more in-depth conversation with. If you are a lover of stats, we've got the entire stats package below here, and we will be bringing you this type of update more regularly as the months progress, so please stay tuned for that. As always, we'd love to hear from you, and in the meantime, enjoy all that Victoria has to offer and have a great day.